GoPro is a brand that has revolutionized the way people capture and share their experiences. Founded in 2002 by Nick Woodman, GoPro has grown from a simple wrist camera to a multi-billion-dollar company that produces high-quality action cameras, drones, and accessories. In this video, we will explore the fascinating story of GoPro, from its humble beginnings to its current status as a global brand. Nick Woodman was born in 1975 in California. As a young man, he was passionate about surfing and wanted to find a way to capture his experiences on camera. However, he found that existing cameras were bulky, expensive, and difficult to use in the water. In 2002, Woodman decided to take matters into his own hands. He created a wrist camera that he called the GoPro Hero. The camera was waterproof, lightweight, and could be easily attached to a surfer's wrist or helmet. Woodman began selling the GoPro Hero out of his van at surf competitions and quickly found that there was a demand for his product. In 2004, he officially founded GoPro and began selling the cameras online. The rise of GoPro. In the early years, GoPro was a niche product that was mainly used by surfers, skiers, and other extreme sports enthusiasts. However, the company began to gain wider recognition when it released a video in 2009 that featured footage shot entirely with the GoPro Hero. The video, called "Fireman Saves Kitten," quickly went viral and brought GoPro to the attention of a wider audience. The company capitalized on this success by releasing a series of videos that showcased the capabilities of the GoPro Hero. These videos helped to establish GoPro as a brand that was synonymous with adventure and excitement. The company's cameras were used to capture everything from extreme sports to family vacations, and the versatility of the product made it popular with a wide range of consumers. GoPro's success. In the years that followed, GoPro's success continued to grow. The company went public in 2014, and its shares soared on the first day of trading. The company's market capitalization reached $3 billion, and it became one of the most successful IPOs of the year. GoPro's success was due in part to its focus on innovation. The company has continued to release new products and accessories that have expanded the capabilities of its cameras. For example, the GoPro Hero 4, which was released in 2014, was the first camera to feature built-in Wi-Fi and Bluetooth, allowing users to easily transfer their footage to their smartphones. In addition to its innovative products, GoPro has also focused on creating a strong brand identity. The company's advertising campaigns have featured some of the world's top athletes and have emphasized the excitement and adventure that comes with using a GoPro camera. GoPro's challenges. Despite its success, GoPro has faced some challenges in recent years. The company has struggled to maintain its position in the increasingly competitive action camera market, and its sales have declined in recent years. In addition, GoPro has faced criticism for its lack of diversity and its workplace culture. In 2018, the company announced that it would lay off 250 employees as part of a restructuring effort. GoPro has also faced legal challenges. In 2017, the company was sued by a rival camera maker, Contour, for patent infringement. The lawsuit was settled in 2018, with GoPro agreeing to pay Contour an undisclosed amount. Looking to the future. Despite these challenges, GoPro remains a major player in the action camera market. The company has continued to release new products, such as the GoPro Hero 9 Black, which features improved image stabilization and 5K video recording capabilities. GoPro has also expanded into the drone market with the release of the Karma drone in 2016. While the Karma initially received positive reviews, the product was recalled due to issues with the battery. GoPro eventually discontinued the Karma, but the company has not ruled out re-entering the drone market in the future. In addition to its hardware products, GoPro has also expanded into the software market. The company offers a range of editing tools and apps that allow users to easily edit and share their footage. GoPro has also created a social network called GoPro Awards, which allows users to share their videos and photos with a wider audience. As GoPro looks to the future, the company faces several challenges. The action camera market is becoming increasingly competitive, with companies such as DJI and Sony releasing their own high-quality cameras. In addition, the COVID-19 pandemic has disrupted the travel and adventure industries, which are key markets for GoPro. However, GoPro has proven to be a resilient company that is able to adapt to changing market conditions. The company's focus on innovation and brand identity has helped it to establish a strong position in the action camera market. Additionally, GoPro's expansion into software and social media has diversified its revenue streams and allowed the company to reach a wider audience. Conclusion. The story of GoPro is a testament to the power of innovation and perseverance. Nick Woodman's determination to create a camera that could capture his surfing experiences led to the creation of a brand that has revolutionized the way people capture and share their adventures. GoPro's success has been built on its ability to create high-quality, versatile cameras that can be used in a wide range of environments. The company's focus on innovation and its commitment to creating a strong brand identity have helped it to establish a loyal following of users who are passionate about adventure and excitement. While GoPro has faced some challenges in recent years, the company has proven to be adaptable and resilient. With its continued focus on innovation and its expansion into new markets, GoPro is poised to continue its success in the years to come.